welcome to another video. So today I will show you how to save a preset for your videos, for the future videos in your Premiere Pro CC 2017. Now let's get right into it. So first off, I will choose blur and I will go with camera blur and I will add that to my layer here. Right now, camera blur will go here, and now as you can see I will create animation. So first I'll need to create some effect that I can save preset on. So first off, let me just take this, make it 0. We will make it like when video goes till the end, the blur will maximize, till the end. So first off it's 0, then it goes a little bit here, then it's 25, it goes again a little bit there, then it's 50, and then it's 100 till the end. Let me just see, like here. As you can see, we now have an effect that is gradually blurring gradually as video goes to the end, as you can see. So when you have that effect and you want to use that effect in another video, it could be any effect, it could be your own effect, you just go right click on this where you made an effect, and let me just click like that, Control All, and save preset. Now you can go again here, you can go on camera blur and save preset, because as you can see you can go like that, or you can go % blur, but you can't really save preset. You need to group, you need to go to the group, because this is a group, as you can see, and this all here is a group, one group. So you go here, click on it and save preset. Now you will select scale. You can also anchor to in point and to out point. This is just where the points are. You can do it like that, or you can just go and scale. I really recommend scale just because I do that on my old presets, and click OK, and now you save the preset. And this is how you save a preset, and it's really amazing that you can do that, and you can use that on other videos as well. So yeah guys, this has been it. As you can see, we can use this preset in a lot of different videos, because it's so like it's not really unique, but you can use a lot of unique presets as well. So thank you guys for watching.